Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Izwan. This video is to present Module 1, Introduction to ArcGIS Pro for Environmental Information System, EIS EVT 554. We will focus on understanding GIS concept by using ArcGIS Pro software. Okay, for your information, we have three learning outcomes here. Okay, the first one is to understand the fundamental of GIS, and the second one is to familiarize with the component in ArcGIS Pro, and the last one is to recognize different type of geospatial data. Now, I will explain about the core concept behind ArcGIS Pro. ArcGIS Pro is a desktop geographic information system, or we know as GIS, application used for data visualization, spatial analysis, and data management in 2D, 3D, and 4D environments. There are two main types of spatial data in GIS, which are vector and raster data. Vector data represent features from points, lines, and also the polygons. For example, points represent locations, lines represent roads, and polygons represent boundaries or buildings. Raster data consists of pixels of cells where each cell contains a digital value representing information such as elevation or satellite image. In ArcGIS Pro, there are three main components. The first one is map, which is used to display and analyze spatial data. And the second one is catalog, which is used to organize and manage the data. And the last one is toolbox, which contains tool for geoprocessing and spatial analysis. Okay, now I will explain how to create a new project. Okay, first, open ArcGIS Pro. And then, on the start page, under the new project, click Map. In the Create New Project dialog box, enter the project name and choose the save location. And then, just click OK. A new project opens with a map view showing a topography base map. And then, create a folder connection to access the data easily. Go to the Insert tab and click Add Folder Connection. The folder connection will appear in the catalog pane. From the catalog pane, navigate to the folder and view the data. The data is the files with the .shp extension are known as shapefiles, which are a common vector data format used in GIS. These shapefiles store geographic features such as points, lines, and also polygons. Next, we learn how to add shapefiles and attribute table. Add data such as boundary, klangvalley.shp, and road, klangvalley.shp by dragging them into the map window. These layers appears in the contents pane. Okay, how to view the attribute data? Right-click on each layer and select Attribute Table. The Attribute Table displays information about each feature, where rows represent features and columns represent attributes. Next, we explore the toolbox. Okay, how to find the toolbox? Go to the Analysis tab and click Tools. Did you find Tools? Look for the briefcase icon. After click Tools, the Geoprocessing pane appears, which contains various tools used for spatial data analysis, data conversion, and other GIS operations. Okay, now we learn about how to download the raster data. Raster data can be downloaded from USGS Earth Explorer. First, select the area of interest by clicking on the map. The coordinates of the selected area will appear. Then, enter the range for the data. After that, click Datasets and select Landsat 8. Next, choose an image that covers the selected area. It is important to select an image that is clear and free from clouds. One thing to remember, we must create a USGS account to download the image in the GeoTIFF format. The download button will be disabled for guest users. Okay, the GOT format is commonly used because it stores both image data and also geographic coordinate information. And the final one, we learn how to view satellite data. Next, add raster data such as pinning.img into the map. Right-click the layer and select Properties. And then, click the Source tab. The Source tab shows important raster information such as pixel size, resolution, coordinate system, and also date format. The results shows that ArcGIS Pro successfully displays both data for vector and raster. The shapefiles clearly represent geographic features such as boundaries and roads, while raster data provides detailed satellite imagery. The attribute table allows the users to analyze non-spatial data linked to spatial features. This enhances the understanding of relationship between geographic locations and their attributes. The toolbox provides various tools for spatial analysis, making it possible to perform operations such as data conversion and also geoprocessing. Raster data downloaded from Earth Explorer shows how satellite imagery can be used for environmental monitoring. The Source tab provides important technical details that ensure the data is correctly interpreted. And overall, the integration of vector and raster data improves the accuracy and effectiveness of environmental analysis. Here's the summary of what we learned in this video. ArcGIS Pro is used to visualize, analyze, and also manage spatial data. The main components are map, catalog, and toolbox. A shapefile is a vector data format used to store geographic features. It can be added into the map by dragging it from the catalog pane. Attribute data can be viewed by right-clicking the layer and select the attribute table. Then the toolbox is used for geoprocessing and spatial analysis and can be accessed from the Analysis tab. The Source tab shows raster properties such as resolution, pixel size, and the coordinate system. In conclusion, this module provides a basic understanding of GIS concept and the use of ArcGIS Pro software. This exercise demonstrates how spatial data can be managed, visualized, and analyzed using different tools and components. The ability to work with both vector and raster data is essential in environmental studies as it allows better interpretation of geographic information. These skills are important for the environmental analysis and also decision making.